A Notifier 3030 system can display multiple events on the main screen. Here the screen is showing us that we have 3 active fire alarm events, 1 active supervisory event, 4 active troubles, and 6 active other conditions. Typically this is for disabled points. So in order to see all of these different conditions, to see what the state of the system is, if you want to see the 3 different fire alarm events, there's a button right here labeled Fire Alarm Scroll Display. Press that. Notice right now it's displaying Loop 1 Monitor 10 is one of the alarms. Press it. Also in fire alarm mode is Loop 2 Detector 2, and also Loop 1 Module 16. For the supervisory events, press the supervisory scroll. This is Loop 1 Module 19 is currently in supervisory condition. To see what the trouble conditions are, press the trouble display button. Loop 1, Module 12, 13, 15, and 14. Those are the 4 troubles they're showing as open circuits on each one of them. Finally, what are these other conditions? Press the other event display. This is telling you that it's a disabled control module for elevator recall. Address Loop 1, Module 80. Disabled, Module 81. Disabled, 82. 83. 84, and also a zone has been disabled that controls those modules, and that is how you see the different active inputs on a system, a Notifier 3030.